Hello and welcome to my video about Polkadot. Polkadot is very interesting blockchain with native token with name DOT. Okay, I will talk how to buy Polkadot, okay, but also in short about Polkadot, how to create Polkadot wallet, how to copy deposit address, and at the end, of course, how to get Polkadot. I will trade for some other crypto, but I will show you all details because most of crypto exchange services don't support Polkadot. Okay. First, what is the most interesting with this is about multiple parallel blockchains. Transactions are very fast in compare with any other crypto. Because of that, I think this is a very interesting crypto. Okay, there is also some other features you can find at official Polkadot.network website. Okay. Now, also inside my blog, I have blog post about Polkadot recently published yesterday, where you can see on screenshots how to create wallet, how to copy address, and then you will see one service which I recommend to instant crypto exchange. In my case was Litecoin for Polkadot. Okay, let's start. First, what you need, go to polkadot.gs.org apps, okay, and here you need to follow some steps. I visited Ledger official support for Polkadot, and it says that there is app Polkadot, but inside Ledger Live this cryptocurrency is not supported. That means if you use combination of Ledger and this portal, you will have maximum security for your Polkadot.crypto. Okay. Now what you need to do when you visit inside my blog post is address. Visit Polkadot substrate portal here. Okay. This is web address, and when you this official website, here is portal. Okay, first what you need, if you will use hardware wallet, you can create wallet without hardware wallet here, but it is not recommended. But to see how it works, you can do it. Okay. For people who will connect hardware wallet, they need to go first to settings. Okay, you can see settings, and now change this drop down from do not attach ledger to attach ledger. Okay, attach ledger. All this you can see inside my blog post on screenshots, but in video it is much clearer. Okay, now go to accounts, and now if you have hardware wallet, you will go to this option, add ledger. If you don't have hardware wallet, you can press only add account, and then you will see 12-word seed, and you can click here and go to next step. Okay, but I will not create this, I don't need. Okay, just to see how you can. Okay, add ledger. Okay, now you can see this default values. I will leave. You can see nano. Yes. connect, and you will see. If you have not opened Polkadot app, you need to open first. Okay, now I will open. I will try again. You can see, connect. And you can see, this is a small amount of crypto, Polkadot, just for try, okay, but to see how it works. Okay, every time you want to have access to your account, you need to repeat this step. Add ledger, open, turn on ledger, of course, connect to computer and open Polkadot app. Now, how to copy address? To copy address, you can click here, address will be copied, or you can click on account name and you will see also here address. Okay, address copy. Okay, it is the same. Now when you have address, okay, when you have address, you can go to change now. Okay, you have here, you can, for example, choose Polka, and you can see how much you can get. Okay, also you can visit change now service in new tab, and do the same thing. Okay, Polka and exchange, and then you need here to copy your address. This is my address, okay, which I just copied, and go to next. Then you need to confirm, and then you need to deposit here bitcoins in this example. Okay, now here is my screenshot. You can see how much Litecoins I sent and how much I received in Polkadot, and here you can see the same amount. Okay, and that is it about Polkadot. You can see that is very simple, but you need to follow some steps. Also about Coinbase and some other crypto exchange services, most of them don't support this coin. Also, it is not good idea. It is not good idea to leave your copies on many exchanges. Some coins is supported inside one crypto exchange services, on other not, and so on. I recommend Coinbase because inside Coinbase, as you can see in my free crypto section, there is opportunity to earn some cryptos just for watching tutorials about blockchain and for answering on simple questions. Here you can see some invites to unlock Coinbase Earn. Here is also a video. You can search for video inside my blog, webtrafficsolution.org, inside free crypto section, or you can search for video inside my YouTube channel. I already earned about $100 just for watching videos, answering on questions, and for a few friend invites. Okay, and that is it. I hope this is very clear to you, and we see you in some next video. Bye.